The Ashtakoota and Dashakoota analysis in Kundli matching and horoscope matching is very prominent in the Indian society. The analysis consists of 12 factors and every factor represents some weighted average points. All the points from the 12 compatibility factors are added up, and if it touches a minimum level score, then a go-ahead is given. This analysis focuses on moon nakshatra and Rashi of partners. Welcome to Jothishi.com. In this video, we'll talk about the Kuta analysis in Kundali Milan. The various Kuta factors are 1. Nadi Kuta. In this case, the nakshatra are divided into 3 types, the Vata, Pitta and the Kapha types. The moon of the partners should fall in nakshatras of a different type. This Kuta assesses the psychological, psychic and spiritual compatibility of the couples. The points accrued here are 8. The next is the Rashi Kuta. This factor deals with the signs in which the moons of the partners are located. Distance from the moon in the chart of a man to a woman should be less than 7. 7 points will be given by this factor. This compatibility analysis assesses the mental and mind-related compatibility. The third pointer is the Gana Kuta. Nakshatras are divided into Devagana, Manushya Gana and the Rakshasa Gana, which is gods, man and the Rakshasas. It is good if the nakshatras of partners are in the same category. Even combinations like Deva Manushya or Manushya Rakshasa can be considered. 6 points are given for this match. This assesses the psychological temperament in a Vedic match. The fourth analysis is the Graha Maitram. If the lords of the moon signs of partners are friends, then 5 points are given. The points decreases to 0 depending on the friend, neutral and enemy relationships between the lords of the moon signs of partners. This analysis assesses the intellectual compatibility. The next is the Yoni Kuta, which assesses the sexual compatibility of the couples. Every nakshatra is associated with a type of Yoni, and it is best both partners are born in nakshatras of same Yoni type but different sexes. 4 points are given for this compatibility. Next is the Dina Kuta and assesses the longevity and fortune of the couples. 3 points are indicated for this match. Next is the Vashya Kuta and assesses the chemistry and magnetism between partners. 2 points are allocated for this type of match. Varna Kuta assesses the spiritual development of the partners. They are categorized as priests, warriors, businessmen and laborers. If they both belong to the same category, then 1 point is given to both the partners. The final 4 compatibility factors are Mahendra Kuta, which signifies the longevity of the relationship. 3 Dirgha, which indicates the flow of energy from the male to the female without hindrances in a partnership. Next is the Raju, measures the duration of married life. And finally, Vedha. Some nakshatras are said to afflict each other, and it is good to avoid nakshatras that are deterrent to each other. It is generally considered that if you get 21 points out of the total 36 points, it is the couple and the marriage is given a go-ahead signal. However, there are also other factors that needs to be considered in matching horoscopes, and a detailed and thorough analysis is required for compatibility analysis, because this Kuta system talks about only the moon and its placement relevant to each other in a couple's chart. There are other planets that needs to be taken into consideration like Sun, Lagna, Jupiter, Venus, Mars, etc. And a thorough analysis needs to be done in addition to synastry to figure out if the matching is accurate or not. Hope you all like this video on Kuta analysis in astrology, and thank you for watching the Jothishi.com channel.